Hey Little Chefs, welcome back to Little Chef's Corner. Today we're going to whip up some quick and healthy snacks that you can make all by yourself. These snacks are not only super tasty, but they're also packed with nutrients to keep you energized and ready for anything. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. Snack is one of my favorites, apple slice sandwiches. These are crunchy, sweet, and perfect for a quick snack. Here's what you'll need: a couple of apples, some peanut butter or sunflower seed butter, and a handful of granola. First, let's slice the apple into thin rounds, just like this. You can ask an adult to help if you need it. Now, take a slice and spread a layer of peanut butter or sunflower seed butter on it. Next, sprinkle some granola on top of the peanut butter. This adds a nice crunch and extra flavor. Finally, place another apple slice on top to make a sandwich. Ta-da! Apple slice sandwiches are ready to eat. They're crunchy, creamy, and oh so yummy. Perfect for a snack after school or anytime you need a quick bite. Next up, we have veggie sticks with yogurt dip. This snack is not only super healthy, but it's also really fun to eat. You'll need some veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and a simple yogurt dip. To make our yogurt dip, we're going to mix some plain yogurt with a sprinkle of dried herbs and a squeeze of lemon juice. Give it a good stir, and you've got a tasty dip that's perfect with crunchy veggies. Now arrange your veggie sticks on a plate with the yogurt dip in the middle. It's like a colorful veggie rainbow. This snack is full of vitamins and so refreshing, great for keeping you fueled and focused. Our final snack today is banana roll-ups. These are super easy to make and so delicious. Here's what you need: a whole wheat tortilla, a banana, and your favorite spread. You can use honey, peanut butter, or even a little Nutella for a treat. First, spread a thin layer of your favorite spread all over the tortilla. I'm using peanut butter today. It's packed with protein. Now, place a banana at the edge of the tortilla and roll it up nice and tight, just like this. Once it's rolled up, you can slice it into bite-sized pieces. And there you go. Banana roll-ups are ready to enjoy. They're sweet, satisfying, and perfect for a quick snack or even breakfast on the go. Wow, Little Chefs! Look at all these amazing snacks we made today. We've got apple slice sandwiches, veggie sticks with yogurt dip, and banana roll-ups. These snacks are not only delicious, but also super healthy and easy to make. Let's give them a taste. So good. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, you can mix and match these snacks with different fruits, veggies, and spreads to make them your own. Thanks for joining me today in Little Chef's Corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And if you try any of these snacks, share a picture with us. We'd love to see your creations. See you next time, Little Chefs. Happy snacking!